Hello, now we are going to discuss about nitrogen metabolism or nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is very important element for living organisms. Why? Because it is involving in the synthesis of amino acids, proteins, hormones, enzymes, and nucleic acids, vitamins. That's why it is very important element. After carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, it is the most important element, and it is a critical element. So here nitrogen is abundant in the atmosphere. 78% of nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, but that is not fixed by the higher plants. Only prokaryotes only can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Here the atmospheric nitrogen or dinitrogen, how it is moving into the plants to soil or lithosphere, again lithosphere to atmosphere. So in cyclic manner it is moving atmosphere to plants or living organisms, and living organisms to soil to again atmosphere. So in cyclic manner moving. So in nitrogen cycle there are 5 steps: nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. So first nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is of two types. One is abiological nitrogen fixation, and the second one is biological nitrogen fixation. Abiological means biological organisms are not involving. So physically nitrogen is fixed by electric charges, natural nitrogen fixation, and industrial nitrogen fixation. Natural means during the raining, and electric charges, by electric charges or by thunders, here nitrogen is fixed. Atmospheric nitrogen is fixed into nitrate. That is oxidation step. And by industrially also, here nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen is fixed into here ammonia. So it is reduction step. Nitrogen is combined with the hydrogens from water. So electrical nitrogen fixation and industrial nitrogen fixation, both are abiological types and physical types. Here it is oxidation step. It is a reduction reaction. Next, biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation is of two types: symbiotic nitrogen fixation and free living nitrogen fixation. Symbiotic means some some prokaryotes. So they live as symbionts in the other plants or other organisms. So here free living, so they are not symbiotic, non-symbiotic method. Here symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. In this, some prokaryotes like Anabina nasta, these are blue-green algal members. So cyanobacteria. So Anabina nasta, like cyanobacteria or blue-green algal members are involving in the nitrogen fixation. Or Rhizobium frankia, these are also symbiotic organisms, but these are bacteria. Cyanobacteria, bacteria. So symbiotically they can fix the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. And free living organisms like here Anabina nostoc can fix the nitrogen in free condition also, symbiotically, asymbiotically, or non-symbiotically, or in free living condition, so they can fix. And Lyngbya, Alocera, so all these are here cyanobacteria. So cyanobacteria and Azotobacter biserinkia, like bacteria. So here free living bacteria, cyanobacteria, bacteria, they are fixing the atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. So in the nitrogen fixation, here it is a reaction, it is the equation of nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen here, by with the utilization of 8 electrons, 8 protons, 16 ATPs, here in the presence of nitrogenase enzyme. So all these organisms are having, prokaryotes are having the nitrogenase enzyme. So the nitrogenase enzyme is involving in the nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is fixed into ammonia. Here nitrogenase enzyme is sensitive to oxygen. That's why nitrogenase enzyme is protected by leg hemoglobin in legume plants. And in some blue-green algal members, nitrogenase enzyme is here it is protected within the heterosis. So here in the presence of nitrogenase enzyme, nitrogen is fixed into ammonia with the utilization of 8 electrons, 8 protons, and 16 ATPs. It is nothing but reducing power. Next here, so that is a first step. Atmospheric nitrogen is fixed by biologically or by industrially or by electrically. So these two are a biological methods. It is biological method. So here it is also reduction step. Reduction step. Here it is a reduction reaction. It is also reduction reaction, and it is a oxidation reaction. So next, second step is nitrate assimilation. Nitrate assimilation, here nitrate. Here nitrate is there in the soil. Completely it is in the soil. So nitrate is there, and ammonia is also converted into nitrate. Ammonia is also converted into nitrate. So in the soil, nitrogen is present in the form of ammonia, nitrite, nitrate. In three forms it is available in the soil, but in nitrate form, mainly in the nitrate form only, the plants absorb from the soil. So plants are absorbing the nitrogen in the form of nitrate from the soil. Along with the water, your nitrate is also absorbed, and here nitrate is entering the plant. So in the plant body, here nitrate is converted into ammonia, and ammonia is converted into amino acid, or ammonia is involving in the amino acid synthesis and protein synthesis. So how nitrate is converting into amino acids? So that is completely assimilation step. In the nitrate is, it is absorbed by the plant root system, and within the plant body, nitrate is converted into amino acids. So nitrate is converted into nitrite in the presence of nitrate reductase enzyme. Nitrate reductase enzyme. Nitrate is converted into nitrite. So it is nitrite is converted into ammonia. Nitrite is reduced into ammonia in the presence of nitrite reductase enzyme. So first nitrate is reduced into nitrite. Nitrite is reduced into ammonia. So in the presence of nitrate reductase, and next enzyme is nitrite reductase, and ammonia is involving in the synthesis of amino acids. So amino acids are synthesized by two methods: reductive amination method and transamination method. So by two methods, ammonia is involving in the amino acid synthesis. So these amino acids are involving in the protein synthesis. Proteins are involving in the here hormones or enzymes, here different organic compounds. So the plant material mainly having the proteins, hormones, enzymes, so different compound nucleic acids. So here nitrogen is present in different forms. So to complete that step, nitrate is here utilized or absorbed and converted into amino acids and proteins. Complete step is assimilation. So it is completely taking place in the plant body, and here plants are here eaten by animals. Here, so in the animal body also, here some changes are taking place. Here plant proteins are converted into animal proteins. So the plants and animals, here after death, after the death, here the dead bodies. After the death, the dead bodies are decomposed. That is the third step, ammonification. So first step is here nitrogen fixation, over nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is fixed into ammonia or nitrate. So completely in the soil. But in this form only plants are absorbing the nitrate. So plants are absorbing nitrate, and nitrate is converted into amino acids, ammonia, and involving in the amino acid synthesis, protein synthesis. So these plants are eaten by the animals, and these are the autotrophs. Autotrophs are providing the food material for all other organisms. So these plants and animals are all living organisms. After the death, here the dead bodies are decomposed. So first step, second step, assimilation, nitrate assimilation. Nitrate is assimilated. Next, the third step is ammonification. The ammonification step, here the dead bodies are decomposed. Dead bodies are decomposed into ammonia. Here in the presence of Bacillus vulgaris or Bacillus mycoides, Bacillus ramosus, or these bacteria are called as ammonifying bacteria. So in the third step, proteins are, so in the dead bodies proteins are there. So the proteins are converted into amino acids. That is simplification. Complex molecules are converted into simple molecules. In the assimilation step, simple compounds are converted into complex compounds. But here in the ammonification, proteins are converted into amino acids are converted into organic acids, and organic acids are converted into ammonia. So these are the simple complex to simple. So the conversion of substances from complex to simple. So that is ammonification step. In the ammonification step, dead bodies are decomposed into ammonia in this Bacillus ramosus, Bacillus vulgaris, Bacillus mycoides bacteria are involving. So these bacteria are also called as ammonifying bacteria. Ammonifying bacteria. Next, here the fourth step, nitrification. Nitrification step. It is nitrification. So ammonia is present in the soil. So it is coming from nitrogen fixation and during the decomposition process also. So completely it is present in the soil. So this ammonia is converted into nitrate. So this conversion is called as nitrification. Ammonia is converted into nitrate. That is called as nitrification. In the nitrification, two steps are there. Ammonia is firstly converted into nitrite, and nitrite is converted into nitrate. So in this first step, ammonia is converted into nitrite. In this step, Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus bacteria are involving. Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus bacteria are involving in the conversion of ammonia into nitrite. It is taking place in the soil only. Soil only. Next step, nitrites are converted into nitrate in the presence of Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis. Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis bacteria are involving in the conversion of nitrite to nitrate. So this complete step is called as a nitrification step. So these are the nitrifying bacteria. Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter, Nitrocystis, all these are called as nitrifying bacteria. But particularly ammonia is converted into nitrite by Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus bacteria. Nitrite is converted into nitrate by Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis bacteria. Next, fifth step, last step is denitrification. In the denitrification step, here nitrate is again it is converted into atmospheric nitrogen. So it is oxidized. Nitrate is converted into atmospheric nitrogen. So oxygens are removed. That's why it is a reduction step. Reduction step. So here, like this, the nitrate is converted into atmospheric nitrogen. So NO3 is converted into NO2, again NO, here N2O and N2. So by thiobacillus denitrificants and pseudomonas denitrificants, micrococcus bacteria. So here denitrification step. In the denitrification step, nitrate is converted into atmospheric nitrogen by denitrifying bacteria like thiobacillus denitrificants, micrococcus, pseudomonas denitrificants. So these bacteria are converting the nitrate which is present in the soil, that nitrate is again converted into atmospheric nitrogen. Some nitrate, not all nitrate. So some nitrates are converted into atmospheric nitrogen. So this step is denitrification. That is one reduction step. So it is completely here nitrogen cycle, atmosphere to here lithosphere to again here living organisms to again lithosphere to here atmosphere. So in cyclic manner the nitrogen is moving. So it is in this nitrogen cycle in 5 steps. So in nitrate assimilation, in the nitrate assimilation only the bacteria are not involving. So remaining 4 steps, nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification, denitrification, except assimilation step, in remaining 4 steps are by bacteria. So in 4 steps, except this step, in the 4 steps bacteria are involving. So different bacteria are involving, and here biological nitrogen fixation is a reduction step, and industrial nitrogen fixation is also a reduction reaction. Electrical nitrogen fixation is oxidation, and denitrification is one reduction step, and it is here it is also oxidation. Nitrification is also one oxidation reaction. So it is about nitrogen cycle or nitrogen metabolism. Thank you.